I design mostly for families, so it's very personal. You're building your family's history, you're creating traditions. Lots of kids and dogs is the best kind of environment to design for.
We have this yin and yang thing. We're so opposite. I'm the bad cop, he's the good cop.
Dan is great in the details.
He's got a really good demeanor about the clients love him.
This is the kind of house that we like to build. The job is to do it all. From the very, very beginning, from the day that Dan gets a lead to they're walking into their new home.
I decided to become a Houzz Pro user because people take their homes very personally, so to build the trust is really important.
If they go to the Houzz site and then they see your work, they're going to be way more comfortable. I think that's a huge thing.
Houzz has had a huge impact on my business. The fact that the marketing and the business tools are all in one place is really great.
Houzz is a one-stop shop. From the client seeing our pictures on Houzz, to the meeting, the communication, to the estimating, to landing that job and getting that estimate approved, to the billing.
Houzz allows me to get paid fast and efficiently. That used to take 20 zillion phone calls and 30 emails and a nightmare. And now it's just boom, click, click, click. It's saving me time. Everything is in the same place.
It's a platform where everything is there, and it's all at your fingertips, and it's mobile. You can do an estimate right on site and keep a live thread going, and once it's approved, then you have a project.
There's a couple of really big impacts that Houzz has had. I'm getting really good leads, and I can turn them into actual jobs. And the fact that I can keep on top of my books has helped me grow my business significantly.
Back in the day, you didn't have a platform to keep everything in one spot. You have to go look and search and find a contract. In Houzz Pro, you don't have to worry about it. It's all there.
Everybody who's building their own business knows that it takes a ton of work and it takes a lot of time. The best part about Houzz Pro is that it's giving me time to be creative, and it's completely paid off.